President Trump, I hope you see this, right? I don't know how to explain myself. I swear an oath of allegiance before I became a citizen of the United States. And I also swore an oath of allegiance before I joined the United States Army. I can't be working, putting my life on line, and not having the rest of mine. I have my dad and my mom back in Nigeria. And I hope you see what is going on right now in Nigeria. This is what you can do. I know you can. You have the power. You have the ability to do it. Please, get this done. I am ready to bear arms against Nigeria. Please. Let's put an end to a tyranny government. Let's put an end to a tyrant government. Please. Please. I have my father, I have my mother, I have my sister there. It's of no use for me being here at peace of mind, and they are living under danger. Please. I am fully ready. I am 101% ready. I am 101% ready. Please, let us do this and get liberation for these people. Please. Like I said, I have my dad, I have my mom, I have my sister right there. Please. I am 101% ready. UK is useless because they colonize Nigeria and they see things happening, but they decided not to talk about it.
The United States soldier, who is also a Nigerian, has released a video of himself pleading with the President of the United States, Donald Trump, to allow the U.S. Army to invade Nigeria and stop the killing of the innocent citizens of her country. In the video released by the soldier, he said that his family and friends are here in Nigeria while he's in the US fighting and having real peace of mind, but his people are suffering from the bad government and brutality of citizens by the government and the uniformed men. He went on to say that he knows that Donald Trump has the power and the ability to do the rightful and the needed things to stop the killings of innocent protesters in Nigeria. Oh my goodness, this guy. You are so lucky. The United States of America and President Donald Trump has the right to do exactly what the Nigerian originated soldier told them to do. What do you think? That is that the best option for now? And just like I said, this guy is really lucky that it's not a Nigerian soldier. Those who did the same thing, they even cover themselves. They don't grab them on. They arrest them. So of course they can't do that. You know, it's free to do that. But Nigeria, hey, as soon as you just do that, the next thing, you just hear pop pop pop. Okay, oh boy. So now we see they do with this. So yeah, follow us. But of course they can't do that. So that's why I say it's lucky. Of course, that's on a lighter note. So guys, I don't know what you think about this whole thing. It is not the right thing. I think another Nigerian guy, a black guy, I don't know whether he's in Nigeria, but I'm sure he's in Nigeria. He was talking about what really happened at that particular place in Lekki. That what the soldiers used was a very, very, what they did was very, very wrong. And that is just the way it is. Do you know that abnormalities is the normal thing that the system wants you to agree to in Nigeria? But they will not listen. They are even denying it. They are even saying it's a Photoshop with this and this and that. You see the way they are exposing themselves, the Nigerian government. Well, let's hear what people are saying, whether it is according to what he said. But you know, before you hear it now, you will hear that oh, Nigeria is a sovereign state. How can Donald Trump do that? But this guy is telling us that he has the right, he has the power to do the needful. I don't know whether you agree with what he has said. I think it is unpatriotic for a Nigeria based in a foreign country to seek for the destruction of our own country through whatever these guys. Okay, but it is now good for the so-called government to do the same thing. It is not patriotic for the so-called uniform men to do such commit such acts against their people. I don't know. Well, if this one is not good, that means the other one is not good. Patriotism is saving its citizens from a country run by a bunch of drug traffickers and murderers. I'm really sorry for you, sir. So you are one of the bad eggs supporting impunity of the blood-sucking government. I support them. Come and deal with these people, Nigerian army. Shut up when your Northerners are killing Southwest East people. You did not raise meaningful voice. It's now that you are talking rubbish. If it is unpatriotic, what about the Nigerian ruling you that is taking the lives and destroying the nation ever since 7 years ago? Always try to balance brain thinking when you talk. So you call this a country where government is doing all manner of things, not even having a sympathy, to his people. It is patriotic to do that. Well, late Buhari couldn't have ordered soldiers to do this to Nigerians, but the mask wearer in Aso Rock did because he is not a Nigerian. US should be fast about it. Let that soldier come back to Nigeria and join the Nigerian army. What is he doing in the white man's army? Okay, someone say, to come and do what in Nigeria army? You mumu, your sense is not your fault. Okay. They have eaten up your sense without your permission. Another cow brain just spoken. Here say he said that he has peace of mind. Okay, make him come join them, make them set him up, give Buku, Abi. He should come for you. Give him high blood pressure. He should come for you to give him high blood pressure. Okay, why didn't you join the Nigeria army yourself? Oh my God, it is really, really funny. Please, US Army, we need your job. We need your help. Dead body is littered everywhere, and our president is ready to do more. And it's not even perturbed. Even if he's not even perturbed, whether he knows what is happening or it's a deliberate act or it's act of wickedness, I don't just understand. Or he does not have feeling, he does not have human sympathy. I think from his speech yesterday, everybody got to know what is obtainable. Oh, some people are crying now that, oh, they told Nigerians, don't vote for this man, don't do this, don't do that. Some people say, oh, he has changed this and that. See the man that was campaigning for him. He has Tulele. Tinubu has Tulele now. He has Tulele. We can't see him again. Himself and his family. They've left all the people that they deceived. Oh my goodness. And people have been saying it too, that anytime Gbege happen like this, that anytime Gbege happen like this, these people, the next available flight, they've gone. They've gone ahead. You will not see them, and that is exactly what is happening. Well, lack of nationalism, selfish religious bigotry, ethnicity is killing US in this country, killing us in this country. Look, this American calling Trump to support him and invade Nigeria. He's no more Nigerian, forgetting his family are in Nigeria. He wants Nigeria to be like Somalia. Oh, I'm sure he didn't get what he said. He said his people are here. If really selfish, he wouldn't even be bothered, because if his people are not here in Nigeria, he would not be bothered in the first place. How can this kind of a thing in the 21st century era like this will be experiencing this thing in Nigeria? Is it not so pathetic? Well, you are far away from human being. Hashtag lifeless presidents on floppy disk, because you are gaining from the government. That is why you are seeking for 2023 hashtag end bad government now for better Nigeria. But that is what our leaders want. If not, why did APC went as far as hiring Obama talk to win election for them? So why Nigeria army are killing harmless protesters? It is army of another nation that can help, or let harmless Nigeria carry on, and you will see all Nigerian soldiers are dead. Nigeria is worse than those countries that you listed. He was talking about okay, maybe the guy wants Nigeria to be like Somalia and all of that. It's unfortunate. Not even the soldiers of Americans, the Trump self might come. Nothing would Nigeria to the peaceful place if those so-called human beings by body structure, but devil minds people. Okay, this killing is not from Nigeria government. It's your politicians that are trying to finish you. So carry your wahala go. Buhari have no hand on this. Okay, does not have hand, and he cannot sympathize with the people. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. Well, why plenty cow food this line safe? Well, some people are really, really funny, It's unfortunate.